Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to get the perimeter of a rectangular shape. We are given a rectangular shape which has sides expressed as fractions. One of the sides is 3/4 of an inch. The other side is 5/6 inch. We are told to determine the perimeter. Well, as long as this is a rectangular shape, the first thing that we have to do is we know that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Therefore, by the virtue of this rule, we know that this side is 3/4 inch. And similarly, opposite sides are equal. 5/6 inch will be this side. So when you determine a perimeter, what you actually do is you add up all the sides. Now all the four sides must be added up in order to determine the perimeter. Perimeter is, for example, useful if you have a compound, a rectangular shaped compound like that, and if you want to build a shape, a fence around that compound, then you have to know the length, the total length around that shape. We find this by determining the sum of all the sides. In fact, I have here the expression for the sum of all the sides. You see here that we have the expression for the sum of the sides. So in order to sum up, we have to, you see, this is the sum of unlike fractions because the denominators are not the same. We have denominator 6/4, again 6/4. So at least we must know the least common multiple of the two numbers, that is 6 and 4. The least common multiple of 6 and 4 is, it happens to be 12, because as you see, the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. Whereas the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, and so on. So you see, before we go far, we find the least common multiple to be 12. Now, once we know the least common multiple, then we can proceed with the sum. To get the sum, what we do is we divide 12 by 6. We will get a value of 2 multiplied by 5 gives us a value of 10, plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay. Continue like that. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, all these fractions, actually I can remove this part so that it doesn't confuse us. This is the part where we determined the LCM. So we already know the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now let's go back to our addition. 10 plus 9 is 19, plus 10 is 29, plus 9 is 38. So 38 over 12 is the result. But you know that this can be further simplified. You can divide 12 by 2, it will give us a value of 6. You can divide 38 by 2, it gives us a value of 19. So 19 over 6 is the result. So the answer to our question, this is the simplest form. 19 over 6 is the same as 38 over 12, but This is the simplest form, and this is our answer. Actually, it could also be written as a mixed number. When we divide 19 by 6, we find 3, and the remainder is 1. Therefore, we can write it also 3 and 1 over 6 inches. This is the total perimeter of the rectangular shape given. So this is the perimeter. Thank you for your attention. Today we have seen how to determine a perimeter. Next time I will bring up a similar example, but then we are going to get the area.